is going to be fun.
It is finally fall, Linda, which of course means a lot of football and tailgating and parties. And today we are going to show you some inventions that will take your tailgate to the next level. This is our favorite kind of thing.
I love this. Carmine Danisco, the founder of Earmark Sourcing and the president of the United Inventors Association, bringing the fun again. And he also brought Kelly Shea with him today. Kelly is...
Kelly works with us over at the United Inventors Association, also at Earmark Sourcing. She gathers all these products for us.
So she goes to the inventors and says, yes, we'd like to feature that.
Yeah. So what did you bring?
So we got some great tailgating products.
All right,
we got Alabama and Georgia here. We're going to really battle it out. First we have the corners championship ring toss.
All right. How does this work?
Just throw them out there. It's kind of like tic-tac-toe, ring toss, all different things mixed into one. It's a great little game. And, you know, you play up to a certain amount, and you can play red or blue, or you can play closest to 21.
That's for Georgia.
All right. There you go.
Look, does that count? Mine's not even on the...
It counts just like horseshoes.
Okay.
All right, the next one we have. QB54.
All right, here we go.
This is going to be on Shark Tank.
This is going to be on Shark Tank tomorrow night. If you want this product, buy it now.
Why didn't I invent this? I've done this
it's
in my own...
It's actually a chair.
This is a camping chair. It's a camping chair that's there, look, Kelly's demonstrating.
It's insane.
Look at that.
All right, so you just want to toss it in there,
You want to toss it in there. If you get it in, you can... And then you kick a field goal after you get it in.
Extra point.
Kick a field goal through the post.
Watch out, Kelly. Oh, no.
Oh, you're going to hear about that?
Oh, my God.
That's a touchdown.
That's
all right, PaddleSmash.
Moving on along.
PaddleSmash, awesome little product.
That's coming out of my paycheck.
Yes, it is.
Cal, why don't you talk about that one?
Yeah. So this one's just like spike ball mixed with pickleball.
Okay.
Right? So two popular products, right? So you have 3 goes, and you have to get it up to the next team. So, see, obviously I don't know how to play pickleball.
This was also a Shark Tank product.
So you wants to hit it.
You hit each other. Yeah, there you go. So like...
Okay, all right.
Yeah, there we go. Just like that. Just like that.
Right. That's fun.
Great little product.
Yeah.
You can play it at the beach. You can play it in a parking lot, anywhere you want.
Yeah, it was on season 15 of Shark Tank.
Yes, you can play it
in high heels.
any clothing.
I love it. And
The next we have the MagnaRack Bowling Set. It's a great product to go bowling.
Should I slide this out of the way?
It has magnets on the bottom.
Good.
And, you know, the magnets make it stick so that the wind can't blow them over.
So this is, again, go ahead, Chris. This is something you can just hang out at your tailgate, right?
Exactly
and do this. Oh, my goodness.
I didn't break anything this time. Knock them down for me, Linda.
There you go.
Awesome.
All of these products are so great for tailgating, for parties, for backyards. They're awesome, and they're great all by inventors.
And can you find any of them anywhere now?
Yeah, they all have their own websites, the names of them. You can check on our website if you want. We can give you the names, but they're all on Amazon also. As we said, the QB54 is going to be on Shark Tank tomorrow night. It's going to sell out. This is an awesome product.
That is great.
Why didn't we think of this,
I love
Chris?
a game where you can sit and play. That's my favorite game.
As always, you're bringing the fun. Tell people if they have an invention, they need to get in touch with you, where they need to go.
Yeah, if you have something, check us out, Earmark Sourcing, earmarksourcing.com, or United Inventors Association. If you're not a member, make sure you join up. It's a great organization.
This has to be one of the funnest.
It's pretty cool.
When you bring the games, we're good.
I know it. And these are all things that, you know, you don't have to go out and get them all at once.
That's right.
You can add to your collection one at a time and really spice up that next
Which
tailgate
one would you
party.
get first?
Well, since I broke something there, I probably should not get that. I like the corners championship ring toss.
Fun,
even though I wasn't very good at it, but I like that. That was fun.
It's a fun game.
Yeah.
It's kind of like you said, like ring toss, but it has a lot of other games like horseshoes and things like that combined.
Very good.
Yeah. Carmine, thank you for bringing it.
All right, guys, thank you.
We'll post this on fox13news.com.
Yeah.
All right, Val, I'm going to toss this to you.
Don't hit the camera.
Don't throw it? Okay. I've already broken enough. I'm so sorry.